In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into DigitalOcean. Whether you prefer using your email and password or signing in with a connected account, I'll walk you through everything so you can get to your cloud dashboard quickly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and going to digitalocean.com. Take a quick look at the address bar to confirm you're on the official site and that the connection is secure. On the home page, look toward the top right corner and select Login. That takes you to the sign-in page at cloud.digitalocean.com. If you're using the standard sign-in, click into the email field and enter the email address associated with your account. Typing carefully matters here. Extra spaces or autocorrect changes can cause issues, so give it a quick glance before you move on. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on, and consider using a password manager to paste it accurately. When your details are in, choose Login. If everything matches, you'll be taken straight to your DigitalOcean control panel. If you've enabled additional verification on your account, you may be prompted to complete that step before you're fully signed in. If the page reports an error, double-check your email and password and try again. You can also sign in without entering a password on this page by using a connected identity provider. If you prefer GitHub, select Sign In with GitHub. Your browser may open a GitHub prompt asking you to confirm the sign-in. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to DigitalOcean and signed in with your GitHub identity. Similarly, you can choose Sign In with Google. Select that option, pick the Google account that's linked to your DigitalOcean profile, and approve the sign-in. You'll be returned to the control panel once the authentication completes. If you don't see a prompt, check that your browser allows the sign-in window and that you're signed into the correct GitHub or Google account in the same browser session. No matter which method you use, the goal is the same: safely access your account so you can manage droplets, databases, networking, and other resources. If you switch devices or browsers often, using GitHub or Google can be convenient, while the email and password route is great if you rely on a password manager. Keep your credentials secure, sign out on shared computers, and you'll be ready to build confidently every time you log in. For quicker access next time, consider bookmarking the login page and keeping your verification device nearby. That's all you need to log into DigitalOcean quickly and securely.